Hi. Nice to meet you. So, we booked through the Lind Hotels. So, it comes with free transfers from airport to hotel. So, pagbaba pa lang ng airport, ayan na may naghihintay na. The Lind. Very convenient. Okay, see you at the Lind.
Hello guys,
Here.
shuttle service.
The Lind Shuttle Service.
Are you tired?
So, we're here in their welcome center. So, sabi nila, ready lang daw yung ID. And then, we're gonna ride the speedboat after. Alright, so now, we're riding the speedboat going to the Boracay Island. Then, we're gonna ride again another van going to the Lind. There you go. Ilocano. Okay, so we're here now in the Lind. Amanda, we're here in the Lind. Hi, good afternoon. The Lind Boracay. Okay. So, may pa-welcome drinks. Get one, Amanda? Get one? Archie, ikaw na kumuha sa kanya. Thank you. So, yan. May pa-welcome drink sila. Hi. We're here at the Lind. Sarap to. Calamansi juice na dalandan juice. Sarap.
Our standard check-in is 3 p.m. Our standard check-out is 2 p.m.
Amanda, just follow us.
At our spa naman po, nandiyan naman po.
Okay.
The spa. For tomorrow, your dinner breakfast is located here at the Target Restaurant po.
Okay. So itong pool, ito yung sinasabi mong open from 8 to 10 p.m.
Yes po.
Okay. And this is where the breakfast buffet will be open.
For our crust.
Ito yung restaurant nyo. Oh, okay. And then yung access sa beach. Okay.
Yung dial zero naman po, if gusto nyo mag-book or gusto nyo pumunta dyan, pwede rin po.
Ah, okay.
From 10 in the morning until 10 in the evening po.
Yung spa, if you want to.
Okay po. Para di po ako mag-book.
Thank you.
Chat ko na lang or text ko na lang.
Thank you.
Balbon si Amanda.
Oh, pagod na yan.
Ha? Patulog ba?
Pagod na, sabi ko. Amanda, are you tired?
Sabi will wipe your face. It's refreshing. You want to swim? Let's go swimming.
Paliguin mo na yan mamaya kasi parang banas na siya. Oh, here. Amanda,
So your room is 305.
Uh-huh.
So here is our free shuttle service. It's
Okay.
run every 2 hours po. It starts from 2 in the afternoon until 10 in the evening.
Okay.
Going to the Moda Center, Boracay po.
Maganda mo lang yan.
Opo.
Okay.
Tapos yung pick up naman po is doon na rin. Doon na rin.
Okay.
Ito mo lang. Saan yung sakay? Ano?
Okay. Thank you. It's our birthday. Wow, look at that. Look at that, Amanda. It's her birthday.
Birthday.
Come on, you love the balloons? Oh, look. Oh, happy birthday, Amanda. That's mommy's and daddy's surprise for you. Wow, thank you.
Here is your key card po. And for the slippers and the bag, you can bring it home. That's all yours.
Okay.
This one is free. And this one is free too.
Okay.
And for your safety, mom, your hair blower is, you cannot plug your...
Happy birthday, Amanda! Did you like our surprise for you? Look.
Wait, angle mo lang. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay,
So here we are at the Lind Boracay. Yeah, so this is our room. This is, what do you call this? Sea view, premier sea view. And we have a little surprise for Amanda. Look. Because it was her birthday last week. Wow. Wow. Here's our bed. We have a sofa bed. Oh, there's more balloon here, Amanda, oh. Look, oh. And there are mini treats pa, oh. And that's the view. RJ, open mo nga.
So guys, welcome to our room, our sea view room.
Sea view room. There you go. Wow. Yeah. Welcome to Boracay. The Lind Boracay. There. Ayun nga, ayun o, yung pool. The Lind Boracay. Okay, let's go back inside. Kasi ang pala yung bathroom. This is the bathroom. The shower room. So that's it. Go with daddy. Kanina pa nauulit mag-swimming yan eh.
Sumubog pa raw? So guys, we're walking to the infinity pool of the Lind Boracay, Station 1. Wednesday, April 2nd, And we're staying for 4 days and 3 nights. It's our first vacation here in the Philippines after 6 years.
Out of the city.
City, guys. And I highly recommend going here, Boracay.
Hold on tight. Look at that. So we're going to the breakfast buffet. They're interested. Morning. Amanda, follow daddy. Come on. Go inside. Honey. Can we sit here? Oh, go inside, Amanda. eh. Relax na relax yung mag-ama. That's the Discovery.
Ayaw nga, Florence, pag-video ka. 360.